we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So I took the boat tour to Puffin Island, which is an ecological reserve for the population of Atlantic puffin. The island is inaccessible from the water and provides ideal protection for the breeding colonies of Atlantic puffin that make Puffin Island their home for 4 months of the year. The other 8 months they are strictly at sea. Also saw this sunfish, or mola mola, coming up on its side to the top of the water to get sun to warm up its body. The sunfish is one of the largest known bony fishes in the world. Adults typically weigh between 247 and 1,000 kilograms. Also got to see a baby puffin that they were releasing back into the wild. Now the puffins are only have an orange beak when they're in mating season, and this little guy isn't there yet. Just got back from the boat tour of see whales and puffins, although didn't get to see any whales. Tons of puffins and everything. I got here just as they were loading the boat, and grabbed my stuff, ran out of the car, and ran over there, and they're like, "Oh, the boat's full, sir. You might have to reserve for tomorrow. Go talk to the lady inside." And I went and talked to them, and they were like, "Oh, there's only one of you? Well, we can fit you on the boat." So that was pretty nice that they fit me on there. And yeah, beautiful scenery. Saw the sunfish, tons of puffins, my spirit animal. And yeah, it was a cool little tour. I liked it. Good morning. Well, we finally left St. John's. The car seems to be driving pretty good. Interesting. I thought I'd stop at this little town. I heard the town's got a really good vibe to it. I don't know if you can see. Dildo. Actually, Jimmy Kimmel made it famous a couple of years ago. He's the one that put that Hollywood-style sign up there. Stopping at the Dildo Dory Grill. Just because I heard that Captain Dildo is here. Come say hi to Captain Dildo. Get a little picture with me. Captain Dildo. Whoa, what are you doing there? Hey, that's exit only, buddy. Stop that. Anyhow, that's cool that that sign's up there. Alright, we're going to carry on to somewhere. I can't remember what it's called, but hopefully I can get a closer up look of the puffins. On the boat tour you really couldn't see them, they move so fast that I'm hoping at this place you can actually see them, get a good picture of them, and we'll see you there. Breezy as always, but I found this place on Overlander. It's close to the Puffin viewing site. So I'm gonna hang out here with you. Yeah, definitely windy again. Puffin, the root cellar capital of the world. What a thing to be known for. Oh well, I guess somebody has to have that name. Yeah, I like it. A little windy, but I heard it's best to check out the Puffins first thing in the morning. So I'm going to crash here for the night and get there nice and early. And yeah, hopefully get to see the Puffins close up and not 100 feet away. I guess I'm getting burned on the Puffins again. Might go up this little hill over here. See if there are any up there, but I don't see any anywhere. I'm sad I don't get to see my Puffins. Oh well. Yeah, let's go. No, nothing up here either. But damn, look at these views, eh? Freaking amazing. Except for not seeing the Puffins, I guess. Oh well. Alright, I guess we're off to our next destination, wherever that is. We'll see you guys in a bit. Well, while I'm here, I might as well show you the world famous root cellars. They were just built into the ground like this. Not much to it. Nothing in there. No potatoes. There you go, there's your world famous root cellars. Oh boy. Good morning, everybody. Spent the night here. Great little spot, quiet, nobody bothered me all night. Free campsite. Just in Gander, Newfoundland right now. I only have a couple days left, so now I think I'm going to head up to Twillingate. I think it's going to be raining for the next couple days, so I don't know how much of great scenery I'm going to see, but it's always a beautiful drive. And then what? Make my way probably to Deer Lake, and then the next day I catch the ferry back to the mainland. And then I guess I'll be making my way back to Ontario from there. So yeah, let's head to Twillingate and we'll see you in a bit. What's with the sad look? Are you sad today or something? Morning. I think I chose the wrong day to come up here anyway. Getting the remnants of Hurricane Ida. Basically getting sideways rain. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. The winds are strong. Ain't going anywhere today. Just waiting for the wind to die down a little bit. So I can head south again. Because I got to be in Port aux Basques to catch the ferry in 2 days. So I think in 2 hours the rain's going to calm down so I can get out of here and make my way west. Are you coming out? Alright, so we're just outside of Port aux Basques, taking the ferry back to the mainland tomorrow. Beautiful here, as you can see, is all of Newfoundland. I really love this province. I thought it was really, really nice. I think I'm going to come back next year, actually. It's almost tied with BC. I love it so much. But yeah, I'd like to come back next year and see the whales and come back earlier in the season so I can see the icebergs and so on. But yeah, and the weather's better. You know, it's so humid everywhere in Canada these days. This is one of the only cool places that you can actually survive in van life. So yeah, that's it for Newfoundland. I'll probably be back again next year, but I really loved it here. Oh, the roads are a little rough. One of the locals told me that everywhere in Canada they drive on the right side of the road, and in Newfoundland they drive on what's left of the road. Anyway, take care. We'll see you next time.
You and I can wait.